Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to copy content from Google Slides into Google Docs, perfect if you want to turn your presentation ideas into a clean text document quickly. First, open Google Slides. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. From the home page, you can either start a new blank presentation or pick a template that fits your project. Once your presentation is ready, find the slide with the text you want to move. Click on the text box and highlight the text. To copy it, you can use Command+C on a Mac or Control+C on Windows. You can also right-click the highlighted text and select Copy. Now your text is safely stored on your clipboard. Next, head over to Google Docs. Open a new document or an existing one where you want to paste your text. Click where you want the text to appear and press Command+V on a Mac or Control+V on Windows. Right-click and select Paste if that's easier. And just like that, your content from Google Slides is now in Google Docs. This method is super simple and keeps your workflow smooth. Once pasted, you can tweak the formatting in Docs to match your style. Both platforms give you plenty of tools to make your text look exactly how you want. That's it. Now you know how to quickly move text from Google Slides to Google Docs without losing any of your ideas. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more time-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.